Hi friends, this is Vinod Raj. In this video, I am going to show how to create the Kubernetes pod in cluster. Let's see how to create it. So we have two methodologies to create the Kubernetes pod. So first one is using the command line interface. Another one we have the declarative YAML files. So I am going to now create by using the declarative YAML file. So let's see how to create it. So actually I bought a course in Udemy, Certified Kubernetes Administrator. So I'm going to take the practical test over here. It will take some time. So I'm restarting the lab. Yes, it is started now. So it is a virtual lab environment I'm using from the code cloud. So let's see how to create the Kubernetes pod in the Kubernetes cluster. So let's see. So I'm going to create the pod by using the declarative YAML file. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to create a pod by using YAML file. Let's create it. API version. So here YAML file is case sensitive. API version, I'm using the version 1, and then kind, I'm going to create pod. So here also P is the case sensitive capital letter, and then metadata means it tells about the objects. Okay, so I am using the metadata. Here name I'm giving NGINX part. So I'm going to create NGINX part, and then spec I'm using container. So containers, so I'm giving hyphen, and then your name, I'm going to give the name of the container, NGINX container. You have to give space for there, and then image, I'm going to pull the image NGINX. Okay, I'm just copy this code from the VS Code, and then I'm entering into the virtual lab environment. So I'm going to create here file NGINX.yaml. so it is a declarative thing. So I'm just paste it here, and then escape write and quit. So now my declarative YAML file is ready. So just the name NGINX.yaml. Now I'm going to create the pod by using the command kubectl create -f and then NGINX. So the pod is created now. If you give the command kubectl get pods, see my pod is ready, it is on the running stage. So like this way we can create the Kubernetes pod in the Kubernetes cluster. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.